Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about how to transfer from Binance to Injective token Inch. To this provides guide step-by-step instruction on how to transfer from Binance to the Injective blockchain. This video will use Inch as an example, but you are free to breach any assets of your choice through Injective network. So you need to have Binance account, Injective wallet and assets in your Binance account. First we need to go to official Binance website, click on this link and log into your account. Next we need to open your fiat and spot wallet. On the Injective in your spot wallet, process to action and select withdraw. On the withdraw crypto interface you need to enter your Injective wallet address and press continue. To copy paste your address you can switch to the Injective Hub dashboard, HTTP's Hub Injective network, copy Inch wallet and paste it in the withdrawal of Binance. Next we need to find a memo number, it's not required, go to confirm, enter the amount that you like to transfer and click continue. The minimum amount for transfer is 0.01 inch and the transfer fee is the same. But if you want to transfer 10 or 1 inch, your transfer fee in any way will be 0.01 inch. Confirm your withdrawal by completing the various security and authentication checks, email, verification and something like that. Binance will notify you when the withdrawal has been completed. And next, when transaction was completed, we can see our transaction in Explorer, on-chain confirmation. If you wish to confirm the receipt of your funds on Injective, you can navigate back to the Injective Hub and refresh your wallet amounts or monitor the transaction history on the Injective Explorer by inserting your wallet address here.